Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Today we are going to review one of the easiest day trading strategy. So let's review the requirement first. So we need the 200 and the 50 EMA. So let's go to the indicators, put on two moving averages, go to the first one and click on settings and put 200 and click OK. So now we got the 200 EMA. I usually like the orange color for the 200 EMA. I change the color in style, click OK. The second one should be the 50 EMA. I like the green color for the 50 EMA. And then inputs, and then change this to 50. The last requirement is the MACD. So you come to the indicators and trading view, you type MACD and choose the moving average convergence divergence. Click on it. It is going to show you the MACD. So click on the configuration, and we don't need the MACD line. Where is it? So we don't need the signal, and we don't need the MACD. So we are just going to use the histogram. All right. So this strategy only works on the 1 minute time frame. I'm trading Ethereum on this one, but you could also trade Bitcoin on it. We need a high volume trading product, so most likely work on ETH and Bitcoin only, unless you know another cryptocurrency that have a high volume. So what do we need to see? So in order for this to work, we need the 50 EMA below the 200 EMA, and also we need to see a huge candle to the downside on the histogram. As soon as you see the candles going away from the 50 EMA and you see big red candles to the downside, that's when you enter your trade. So you want to enter a buy order as far from the 50 EMA as possible. So when you see big red candles on the MACD and the price go away from the 50 EMA, that's when you enter your order. And then you wait until it goes back to the 50 EMA. Sometimes it can exceed it and go to the 200, but you have to make your own decision whether exit as soon as it hits the 50 EMA or wait for it to push further. The only thing that could help you make that decision is those green candles. If you see that the green candles are getting bigger and bigger, then you could wait. If you see it dropping down, then you never know. The price could push back again to the bottom, so you better exit as soon as you see those green candles starting to fade. So if you are trading with 1 ETH and you entered right here and waited until it touched the 50 EMA, then you've made almost $7. And you can repeat that many times a day. You can even go up to 20 or 30 trades within the day. Here is another example. So you would enter here and you will make $8 on this move. You see this big red candle, the price moving away from the 50 EMA. You wait for it until it touch it, and then you sell, and you're gonna get a minimum of $8.6. We can go back and check for more examples. This one is not too great, but it's something. So if you enter on the big red candle, you wait until the green candles start to fade away. So here you've made almost $6. So now here the 50 EMA is above the 200, so we're not gonna worry about that. Let's go back and check when the 50 EMA is below the 200, and there you go. So big red candles, the price is moving away from the 50 EMA. You enter your trade here, you wait until the green candles start to fade away. So here, and we can take this and calculate. So that's gonna be $7.50. I mean, you can go back and check for yourself. So yeah, as you can see, we have identified 6 trades so far. You can go back and check, you will find more. That's it guys, please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.